Hello, welcome to Outdoor Habitude, and we're going to go over a knife called the Kershaw 1730 Zing. So the specs on this knife: overall length is 6.875 inches. The blade length is 3 inches. Blade thickness 0.11 inches. And the blade material is 8CR13MOV. As a drop point, the blade grind is hollow. The finish is B-blast. Edge type is plain. Handle is 4 inches. Handle thickness is 0.34 inches. Handle material is stainless steel, color gray. This is the color gray here. And the weight is 3.40 ounces. So, really nice centering. I really like how it fits in the hand. It's really nice. Deployment is so smooth, and if you're looking to get a knife, this is definitely a good one. Like it's saying, these don't cost too much, but it's still a really good solid knife.